Guys, good morning, or whatever time it is for you. So today we're going to be removing drums off the front of a C10 Chevy pickup truck. I'll show you how you got to do this. I've already done some of it so you don't have to get drugged through it. They come riveted on, and so you have to cut the rivets off. There's 1, 2, 3 rivets. I already cut these 2 off. I'm going to whack this one off to show you how the process you got to go through. When you cut it, you want to cut it just a little bit of an angle so you're digging in through the drum just a little bit, because you want to get the full rivet off, because these things are in there. If you don't want to sit here all day long, you want to put some PB blaster around this drum too, and in the holes where the studs are, so this thing can just pull apart. You know what I mean? So let's get started. Always put your safety shield on. Wear gloves. You never know what's gonna get you. I'm going to be at an angle just a little bit. That's that. All right. So the next thing you want to do is put your hat on because the sun's out. No. So if you got a great big air hammer, which I don't, I just got this DeWalt. You put it right in the middle of the stud, crack it. Crack it. And you can go in here a little bit. The accessory holes are. Alright. I hope this turns out. Then you get a punch. I know not everybody has a punch this big, but I do. Something I have big. Crack each one. See, what's nice about that air hammer is it puts a dent in it to hold your thing straight here, your punch. And you just go around and crack it. And then you say, I hope this works today. I think I got it. Let's see. Oh, yes! Christmas. There it is. That's all you do. You don't have to re-rivet the drums when you put them on here, the new ones. And, yeah. The reason why I'm changing these is you can't even have them turned. I'm just going to put different ones on here. I got some good ones. I keep them in stock because I'm always needing them. Look how grooved. Can you see how deep that is? Honestly, you maybe can't tell, but it's so grooved. This one here on the inside is almost all the way through. Just like you see in the weird videos where they show, is there anything wrong? And look at the rust. These things can get rusty, man. I mean to tell you what. It's got rust pits in it. You don't want that. And then, so anyway, still not done. What you want to do now is you got these rivets hanging up still. You want to whack them off level. There's 3. You want to whack all 3 off level. Then you can put your new drum on. You're good to go. And you can inspect your bearings while you got this apart and make sure your bearings are good. And you grease them up really good and all that. And clean it all up before you put it on. Anyway, it's that easy. So I hope that helps someone out, and that'll get you going. You guys have a nice day.